So if you've imported multiple video clips in your Premiere Pro timeline and you want to add some colors or effects or transition to all clips at once, in this case we have to use the adjustment layer to add any effects or anything to all clips at the same time. Now to add the adjustment layer, here click on this new item and click on adjustment layer. Now you can change the adjustment layer video settings. You can change width, height and FPS and pixel aspect ratio. I'm going to leave as it is, and here we can see the adjustment added. Now to add this adjustment layer into your timeline, drag and drop the adjustment layer, and here you can resize your adjustment layer. Once the adjustment layer added in your timeline, now you can go ahead and add effects, transition or color to the adjustment layer.